Okay, our next example is a second way to add fractions. You can do either way, just like how I showed you two ways to subtract fractions. The main thing is with adding and subtracting is you have to find a common denominator first if you don't have one. And you also, the second rule is you only add and subtract the numerators. You do not add and subtract the denominators. Numerator only. So here's the second way to add fractions. And basically you can just find by converting the mixed number to an improper and then do your steps. So here's an example, 6 2/3 plus 2 7/8. Okay, and to add these, one thing that you can do is convert the mix into an improper. So again, I'm going to put these symbols here to remind me of what to do. I'm going to take the whole number times the denominator plus the numerator will give me my new numerator. The denominator does not change. So let me go through that slowly. 6 times 3 is 18. So I just said that this 6 is worth 18 parts. So 6 times 3 is 18. But don't forget, I have these two parts here. So I need to do 18 plus 2, which is 20. So this is why this works. We have 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20. So my new numerator is 20. And my denominator does not change. Same here. How much is this 2 worth? The 2 is worth, well, how much is 1 whole? Okay. In this fraction, 1 whole is worth 8. So this 2 wholes is worth what? 2 times 8 is 16. Don't forget, you have the 7 here. So 16 plus 7 is 23. The denominator does not change. Now, hopefully you recognize I have two different denominators, okay? I need a common denominator, so I need the least common multiple, which is, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24. 24 is the least common multiple of 8 and 3, okay? Now I need to figure out what I'm scaling up by. So 3 times what is 24? 8. I need to do the same at the top. Okay, 20 times 8. Let's say, what's 2 times 8? 16. Put the 0. That must be 160. Now let's do the other fraction. We have 23 over 8 equals something over 24. And 8 times 24, what math factor is that? That is 3. 8 times 3. So I'm scaling up by a factor of 3. I need to do the same for the numerator, times 3. So we have 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. This must be 69. Now I have this equivalent. Not finished yet. All I did was find this equivalent and this equivalent. Now the rule is I add the numerators only. So the numerator plus this numerator is 229. The denominator does not change. Now how many, now that is the correct answer, but I need to simplify. So how many groups, so simplify with division. So I'm going to do 229 divided by 24. So I'm going to do 24 is my divisor, 229 is my dividend. How many groups of 24 can I take out of 2? None. How many groups of 24 can I take out of 22? None. Okay, so 229 over 24, we can simplify this. That is a good answer, but it's not the simplified answer. So we're going to just use division. Remember, fraction bar is nothing but division. So we're going to set up our dividend as 229
All right, so then how many groups of 24 can I take out of 229? I have no idea. Let's figure it out. 24 plus 24 is 48. 4, 5, 6, 7, 72, 24, 6, 7, 96, 24, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24, 8, 6, 168, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6, 7, 8, 9, 196, 6, 9, 10, 11, 216, 2, 3, 4, 240. So it looks like 216 is, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 216, subtract 3, 13. Remainder will be 13 over 24. All right, so so now let's go ahead later and make sure we have the correct answer. Calculator. There it is. So the problem was 229 divided by 24. 9 and that long decimal 0.5416 repeating. So how many pieces is that? 24 times 9 is 216. Yay, that's what I had. So 216, 229, 229 minus 216 is 13. Yay, that's what I had. So that must mean 13 over 24 must be that long decimal. Yep. So I am correct. So this is the correct answer, and this is also the correct answer. They're equivalent. Just this is improper and this is mixed.